Good morning, January 25th. And today, in the calm of weekend day, our Advent invites us to practice gentle self-care in the Ingenuity Workshop. Today's message is learning the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding technique. This is a simple, science-based way to calm the mind during stress, anxiety, or panic. It helps shift attention away from overwhelming inner experiences toward the surrounding world and restores a sense of stability and support. The creation of this technique is most often attributed to Betty Ellis Erickson, a well-known American psychotherapist and the daughter of Milton Erickson, the founder of modern hypnotherapy. Later, the method was actively popularized by clinical psychologist Ellen Hendrickson, who adapted it for working with social anxiety. Today, this technique is used in clinical psychology and psychotherapy by rescuers and paramedics for rapid emotional stabilization in crisis situations, and in self-help as an accessible tool for restoring balance. This technique is like a first aid kit you can carry in your pocket. Here is its simple guide. 5 things you can see. Look around and identify 5 objects: a tree, a pen, a cloud. Let your gaze rest on them. Four things you can touch. Notice textures and bodily sensations. A soft sweater, the cool surface of a table, your own hair. 3 sounds you can hear. Listen to the space around you. The ticking of a clock, cars outside the window, the sound of your own breathing. 2 smells you can sense. Try to notice 2 smells: coffee, perfume, or simply fresh air. If there are no noticeable smells, recall 2 favorite ones. 1. Taste. Focus on taste sensations in your mouth. The aftertaste of food, a sip of water, or simply the feeling of your tongue. Why does this work? We shift attention. During anxiety, the brain loops on negative thoughts. The 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 technique gently redirects focus to external sensory stimuli, helping disengage from stress. We activate the senses, sequentially engaging sight, touch, hearing, smell, and taste activates different areas of the cerebral cortex, helping the nervous system move out of panic responses. We return to the here and now. Under stress, the nervous system switches into fight or flight mode. Focusing on real objects around us sends a signal of safety to the brain, lowers cortisol levels, and helps normalize the heartbeat. Together, we build a reliable foundation of tools for inner calm. I believe in each of you. Your Ingenuity Workshop from Advance Embrace.